to another Tata Group stock. In another stock that's seen significant selling pressure is Tata Motors with significant exposure to the US market. Sudarshan joins in with more details on the news development there.
So the news related to Tata Motors is the company has announced that JLR will discontinue its shipments to US market, which is one of its biggest markets, forming more than 30% of JLR's whole sales. Now, CLSA believes that the sales of its JLR products are in two brackets. First, 60% of that 30% comes in the bracket of $85,000. That price of that JLR sales that forms 60% is comes in the bracket of $85,000, for which the impact of this tariff is going to be limited. But the impact which is going to be major is for the range of products which is in the range of $50,000 to $85,000, where the major impact is going to be there. And because of that, overall 25% decline in the JLR volume can be seen. Whereas MS believes that this tariff hike, if it remains, it's going to impact the volume majorly. Also, there is a likelihood of free cash flow of JLR turning negative. Now, if these things, both tariff and free cash flow turning negative, happen, there is a case that the price of Tata Motors can slip as much as to 410 rupees per share, which is the bear case for Morgan Stanley. So it's not going good for Tata Motors because there is a tariff hike. Already Tata Motors has been facing the issues related to JLR in both European market as well as in the US market. But recently Tata Motors had announced that it will like to maintain its JLR EBIT margin of 10% for FY25 that company had announced earlier, which is now, after this tariff hike being announced, it's looking very like, it's not looking that company is going to maintain that margin level as well.
Yeah, tough times coming in for auto majors, particularly Tata Motors. The stock is halved from its 52-week high of 1,179. Stock today is at 560. But delivery